Hello everyone. In this video by Havells Crabtree, I will be showing you how to assemble a curtain track motor with its track. Let us go quickly through what is the material available in the package. Track connector, electric curtain motor, ceiling bracket, runners, remote, master gearbox, slave gearbox, tool for measuring belt length, carrier, belt, manual. Let us look at the components of 1 meter adjustable track. It comprises of the following: track connectors, one of 500 mm track, one of 100 mm track connector, two of 200 mm track, one of 100 mm track, one of 200 mm track connector. And these pieces can be used to make a track of 2 meters, 2.2 meters, 2.3 meters, 2.5 meters and 3 meters. Let us take 2.8 meters track as example. I will take 500 mm track, 100 mm track, 200 mm track along with 200 mm track connector. Firstly, fix the 100 mm track in 200 mm track connector. Then fix the 500 mm track in the track connector. Finally, fix the 200 mm track in the track connector. 800 mm track length connection is finished. Let us now look at the track connection. Insert the 1 meter curtain track in the 100 mm track connector. Push the tracks equally in the track connector as head-to-head tightly. Use the Allen wrench 2.5 to tighten the 4 bolts. When tightening the bolts, do note the gap between the tracks. Adjust the track tightness through again turning the 4 bolts. Fix the 2 tracks to a minimum gap and the smallest dislocation. Now connect the spliced adjustable track with a 1 meter base track. Track splicing is now finished. Always check the gap between the tracks. If there is a gap and dislocation, then loosen the 2 bolts one side. Push 2 tracks and tighten the bolt tightly. The tracks are special splicing track according to the requirements of the assembly. Don't worry about the track connection if it is not smooth. Now check the connection points. Ensure that there is no gap or dislocation in between the tracks. The track connection is now finally finished. Double opening belt cutting. Use the belt and the tool for measuring belt. Insert the trailing end of the belt into the terminal fixed part, belt holder. Fix the belt trailing end to track. Straighten out the belt along tracks and maintain tension on the belt. Fix measuring tool to the other end of the track. Shear the belt in the same position as measuring tool length. Shear or cut the second belt in the same way. Let us now look at the assembly of double-sided opening tracks. On a flat surface, put the assembled track, belt and other accessories. Step 1. Fix the belt buckle on one end of each belt. Attach the belt with the buckle to the runner wheel. Then slide the first belt through the tracks and extend it slightly. Step 2. Insert the second belt through the track and extend the first belts as shown in the video. Step 3. Pass the other end of the first belt through the slave gearbox. Add belt buckle with runner wheel and insert in the track, and then attach the slave gearbox to the track. Step 4. Pass the other end of the second belt through the master gearbox. Add belt buckle with runner wheel and insert in the track, and then attach the master gearbox to the track. Step 5. Assemble the carrier with the help of screw and other accessories. Now fix carrier to the other end as well. Step 6. Slide the runner to check the smoothness of the track. Step 7. Put 7 to 8 runners per meter from master gearbox side. Fasten the runner opening to the master gearbox using the track tensioner. Step 8. Put 7 to 8 runners per meter from slave gearbox side, same as master gearbox side. Slide the runners to check the smooth movement of it. Pull the slave gearbox slightly outward to adjust the belt tightness and fasten the tensioner. The assembly of the double-sided opening tracks is complete. Let us now look at the assembly of single-sided opening tracks. On a flat surface, put the assembled track, belt, and other accessories. Note: measure the belt length as done for double-sided belt cutting, twice the length of the track, but do not cut it at the midpoint. Step 1. Fix the belt buckle on one side of the belt. Attach runner with belt buckle and pass through the track. Then, insert the other end through the slave gearbox. Insert the track into slave gearbox and fasten up. Step 2. Pass the belt through master gearbox. Fix its end with the belt buckle. Then attach the buckle to the runner wheel part and slide the runner wheel part along the track. Attach master gearbox to tracks tightly. Step 3. Assemble carrier to fasten up the runner wheel part. Step 4. Add runner as required through the master gearbox runner opening. Step 5. Fasten the master gearbox runner opening through tensioner. Slide the runner to check the smoothness of the track. Step 6. Pull the slave gearbox slightly to adjust the belt tightness. Fasten the runner opening of slave gearbox through tensioner. The assembly of the single-sided opening tracks is complete. Installation of tracks. Put the track on flat surface, upside down. Install the sealing brackets in an orderly manner, ensuring at least one bracket is positioned near each track connector. Pre-assemble sealing brackets and measure the distance between sealing brackets. Mark the position of drill holes according to measured distances. Drill holes at the designated marked locations. Screw fix the sealing brackets. Install auxiliary hook on the end of the bracket and then insert the tracks into sealing brackets. The tracks are successfully installed. Disassembly of tracks. Loosen or slip the locks on the sealing brackets slightly, then pull the tracks outward to dismount them. Assembly and disassembly of curtain motor To assemble the curtain motor, match the motor spindle with the spigot of master gearbox. Rotate motor in one direction until you hear locking sound. To disassemble the curtain motor, push the lock button and rotate the motor to disassemble it from the master gearbox. Change carrier direction. Suppose if you've installed the carrier arm direction wrongly, dismount the tracks from ceiling bracket. Change carrier direction as required with the help of screws and other accessories. Curtain installation. Hang 2 curtain hooks onto the carrier arm. Hang all the remaining hooks onto the runner in an orderly manner. Attach the final hook to the auxiliary hook. Curtain installation is finished. Connect the curtain motor to a 220 to 240 volts AC power supply and power it on. Push curtain a little in one direction. The curtain will start moving itself.